Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Squarespace. First, you will select a template that best suits your vision, whether it is for a portfolio, blog, or online store. Next, choose a subscription plan. Options range from personal to business, offering various features. Finally, connect your custom domain name or register a new one to establish your unique online address. This initial setup takes just a few minutes to complete. Now, let's build your website pages. You can easily add new pages and arrange them in your navigation menu, creating a clear user journey. Populate each page with engaging text, high-quality images, and other media to tell your story. Then, dive into customization, adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand's aesthetic. Squarespace offers hundreds of design options to make your site truly unique. If you plan to sell online, setting up an e-commerce store is straightforward. You can add products, manage inventory, and process payments securely. Squarespace also allows seamless integration with many third-party tools for marketing, analytics, and social media, enhancing your site's functionality. Remember to optimize your site for search engines, improving its visibility and helping potential customers find you. Before launching, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire website. Check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues across all devices. Once you are confident, hit the Publish button to make your site live and share it with the world. Remember, maintaining your site is an ongoing process. Regularly update content and monitor its performance to ensure continued success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.